Life Insurance Corporation of India, which is commonly known as LIC, has introduced its first ever interactive WhatsApp services for its policyholders. Policyholders who have registered their policies on the LIC online portal can avail these several benefits, including getting premium details, statement of the ULIP plan, and more through LIC's official WhatsApp chat box, which is now available. Now, according to LIC's official statement, policyholders who have not registered their policies online are asked to register first to avail all the services on the instant messaging app. Customers can register their policy by visiting the LIC's customer portal on www.licindia.in. Once the policy is registered on their online portal, follow this step-by-step guide to use LIC WhatsApp services. How to use LIC WhatsApp services. Save LIC's official WhatsApp number in your phone's contact. It is 8976862090. Now open your WhatsApp and then search and open LIC of India WhatsApp chat box. Send hi in the chat box. LIC chat box will send you 11 options to choose from. Reply in the chat with the option number for the selection of your services. Example 1 for premium date, 2 for bonus information. LIC will share the required details in the WhatsApp chat. Now notably, send the message from your registered mobile number to LIC customer portal. If you're already registered on the portal with a different mobile number, then update the WhatsApp number in the customer portal profile. You can register your mobile or update the information at ebiz.licindia.in/d2cpm/#login. List of services available in LIC WhatsApp services: premium due, bonus information, policy status, loan eligibility quotation, loan repayment quotation, loan interest due, premium paid certificate, ULIP statement of units, LIC services links, opt-in or opt-out services, and end the conversation. How to register policy on LIC online portal. Visit www.licindia.in. Now click and open customer portal option. If you're a new user, click on new user and enter all the required details. Now select your user ID and password and then submit your details. Now log into the online portal using your user ID. Next, click on Add Policy under Basic Services. Now add details of all your policies to complete the registration.